Oh yeah, here.
This damn cigarette too much nice, real.
Because it's cold.
Yeah. But, don't afraid. Still body with you still.
Kim looks like a ghost
Why? Why?
under the tree. Black.
Like this now.
You don't feel tired?
Did you see me keep speaking when I'm
Ba ano?
I want you to sit.
Banana. Malambot lang naman yung banana.
mamaya, wait.
Oh, nice recording.
So that when there's a lightning, capture.
Lunukin ko agad yan. Wait lang.
Grabe naman sa lunok.
Hindi ka palagay ko lang
Walang ganun no, sa dila mo at saka gilagid.
kahapon. I should have stayed at home.
Sabihin sa akin ng nanay ko.
Engineer,
Sa'yo, uulan.
what's your feeling?
It's okay. Because in the Philippines,
No, not about hiking. About raining, nice or not nice?
it's nice.
Aywa.
It's hard to.
Careful. Matusok ka ba rin?
Sorry.
Silay mo ba? Sorry.
You broken?
It's already broken.
You. Swimming is good, pero tumila ka
I'm
na.
done seeing the rain.
I-record mo?
All for you. Look, this is the girl. You look.
Hi.
They all they speaking. What is this? Like it will kill. If you eat this, they will move. Papa, this is
Kachori.
thinking.
Oo, sige.
This one, this is very expensive.
Berlin.
You know what is this?
Urong ka.
Sorry, right?
This, yeah, this is 85 dirham kilo.
Not finished.
This one, this one.
Habang nagkikismisan tayo, tapos naririnig.
Yes. Oh, these girls cute. No, we don't want like it will eat you. Taste. Well, this after she's speaking and I am getting angry. I will not get angry. I am giving you anything a taste.
Eat this.
Even the engineer, she don't want to taste.
No, I only want dates.
That's no. You must taste the another one. That's already you
Is it
tasted
good?
before.
Masarap
Ask
naman
from this.
Ano, parang biscuits.
Huh?
It's like, they said it's like cookie. Nagbawak nga. Yan! Yan ka talaga yun. Yan!
Radio. You're showing yourself like you're too
Yeah,
much
that
strong.
we got
You
stuck
cover
by
your
something.
body. Remove this after you know you're strong.
Down. Ikot-ikot ka doon.
Oh, nice.
Kung natakot pa mo basta yung cellphone.
You need a
Ah, she giving you thing.
Thank you. Waterproof pero ilang ano lang yun.
Ay, bakit?
May oras lang yun, di ba? Kaya nga. Ito yun. Dito ano naman eh.
Sabi ko, baka ka. Wag lang yung
plastic.
ganito.
Ah. You want this?
Hindi na ba ako makain?
IQ.
Anong IQ?
Ah.
Ano?
WB.
WB.
BB. BB.
Eat, 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 eat. Talaga?
Okay, they don't like. They don't like.
Tampo yan. Ayaw niya daw kumain.
Pag aking galing ayaw. Muhammad, matampuhin.
Going down very easy. 1 hour everything. The difficult part this now. Lee, what in your mind? If you go up,
No, no, they cannot.
who cannot? Who cannot? You?
And
After, ate.
plus the weather right now.
Silly. And slippery. Too much slippery. No. I cannot risk my shoes because this is not good for
Okay, take my shoes.
Especially when going down.
Even going down difficult. This is going down slippery.
Super difficult going down.
Really?
This is not good for for rocks. Going there,
Only for
be
mud. Happiness na baby.
expert
Ah,
only.
sister. Okay. Yes. Call to your wife. We are in very difficult situation. You need help.
Guys, gusto ko yung ginagawa nyo.
Kaya nga, gusto ko rin.
Ay, dun, sa inyong ulan. Bakal. Walang nag-hike ng uulan, kaya sulitin nyo na. Sulitin nyo. Basa na rin naman kayo. Come on. Hello. Ang ginagawa ni Aika.
Hindi ko nila. Itoda mo pa yan. Sasayaw kami. Gawin natin yung TikTok na yung gano'n.
Ano may cellphone ko nandun?
Yung ganon kinukuha.
Nandito lang.
Alam mo ba yung ganong TikTok?
Ano yun?
Yung mag-isa ka lang, tapos kukuha ka.
Oo nga.
Oo, ganyan.
Kunyari, sabihin mo lang ano, tapos gagawin.
Oo.
Tapos
Kuha ka sa right, kuha ka sa left.
Sabi ko sa kanya.
Oo. Mamaya, gawin natin.
Hindi ma-explain eh. Kaya
Ayaw na lang.
You are a pet.
Basta hila-hila.
malaki, inubos mo.
No,
Basa na din lang gawin nyo na yung mga ayaw mo ulam. Go, go, go. Makain pa ako, mamaya na ako.
Wow.
You know, Rotana, Alain?
I haven't been there.
But I think that's too much nice. The best hotel in all UAE for me so far is Rotana Cove. That's the famous. You will feel like you are in Europe. Very cool beach, very cool.
Gawin natin yun na, Talea, mamaya.
You want just